Okay, good afternoon. Okay, how are you today?
I'm great.
Okay, very good. You're great. Okay, today let us have here speaking. Okay, so we have here Kate. Let us have speaking. Okay, teacher Anne will ask question. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now tell me about your day today. How are you today?
I'm great.
What else? Tell me today. What happened today? Tell me what happened today. What did you do today?
Um, playing and
I'm playing what?
playing with my sister.
Sister. Oh, do you have sister? How old?
Is is
6 years
years
old.
old.
Oh, wow. Okay. Now, okay. So, what else do you do? Did you go outside?
It's raining.
It's rainy. Okay. Okay, you will say, Kate, listen, I did not go outside because it's rainy. Again,
I don't go outside.
I did not
I did not go
go
outside because it's
because
rainy.
very good. Okay, tell me about your hobby. Tell me about your hobby.
Dancing and piano.
Dancing and
Piano.
piano. Oh, do you like piano? Do you know how to play piano?
Yes.
Okay. Now, okay. You look at the picture. Okay, look at this. This is picture number one, picture number two.
The picture number one is
Okay,
3.
okay, listen. Okay, you have to tell me the difference. Okay, please tell me the difference. Okay, go. Picture number one, tell me the difference from picture
Uh,
number two. Okay, go.
Picture one, the monkey on the tree. In the
Okay.
tree.
Okay, on the tree. Okay, next. Picture number two.
Because in picture two,
Picture.
but but in picture two, under the tree,
Okay. Under the tree. Okay, very good. Next, another one. Give me more.
the picture one, the boat is blue and but in picture two, the boat is red.
Okay, very good. The color, huh? The color of the boat is blue, and the picture number two, the color of the boat is red. Again.
The the color the color of boat is blue in picture two. The color the boat is color the is red.
Correct, red. Okay, what else more? How about the weather? What can we
The
say
picture
about the
one
weather?
is in picture one the
The weather
is the weather is sunny.
mm-hmm.
In picture two The weather is wind is rainy.
Rainy. Okay, very good. How about, okay, nothing more? Okay, it's okay. Okay, let us see. Oh, the island is yellow, but the other island is blue. The weather, the monkey. Okay, so very good. Great. Yeah, great job. You describe it good. Okay, now
Everything.
you tell me the story from picture 1 to picture 4. You tell me the story from picture 1 to picture 4.
In picture one is the grandpa, the
Okay, look at first, look at first. This is mother, grandmother. Okay, so this is picture 1. I will write, wait me. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Okay, you have to tell me what happened in the story, okay? We have the cat, the dog, the tree, and the grandmother. Okay. And the helicopter.
brother.
Helicopter.
One helicopter.
It's helicopter here. Helicopter. Okay. You tell me, Kate. Go, Kate.
Picture two.
Picture 1 first. Picture 1.
Picture one is one cat, one dog, one helicopter, and
Mm-hmm.
one grandpa,
Grandma. It's grandma.
grandma.
Mm-hmm. Mm. What did the grandma do? Look at the grandma. What the grandma is doing?
The grandma is sleeping.
Sleeping. Okay, what else?
This picture two.
Hmm?
Picture two. The cat and the dog is climbing, climb, climbing, in the
Climbing, climbing, climbing.
climbing,
Very good.
climbing
Oh,
in
yeah, very good, Kate.
tree.
In the tree. And?
And helicopter is
Okay. And then number 3, what happened in picture 3? What happened in picture 3?
the
Okay.
grandma is called iPhone the helicopter.
Okay, the grandma called the phone. Okay. Who do you think? Who?
The cat is on the tree.
Okay, the cat is on the tree. Okay, the cat is on the tree. Okay, teacher and
And the dog
cat
is
is on the tree. Okay, wait me, huh?
next. The helicopter is caught the cat,
Mm-hmm.
and the grandma is
Okay, wait. Okay, next one. Okay, now very good. Ah, sorry, not yet done. Ano ba?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, so yes. Okay, look at this one. Okay, how about number 5? 4. Okay, picture 4.
The
What happened to the
helicopter.
cat? Hmm?
The helicopter is catch the cat.
Okay, the helicopter, don't say it's catch. The helicopter catch the cat or get the cat.
Cat.
Where is the cat? Where is the cat?
The cat is on the tree.
Oh, it's on the tree. Oh my God. Okay, very good. Okay, this one. Now, you tell me the difference. Or you encircle the difference
Okay.
and tell me why. Wait teacher.
Tell me
One.
why.
Oh, you encircle ha.
Okay.
Encircle the difference and tell me why.
Okay.
Okay, so number 1, you tell me why this second picture is the difference.
Because the cake is not fruit.
Oh, very good. Yay. Because, let me see if your answer is correct, Kate. Let teacher and we'll see. We'll check. Oh, very good. Correct. Okay, number 2. Why do you think ice cream is different?
Because the ice cream is cold.
Cold? Oh, let me see. It's ice cream. Okay, very good. Do you like ice cream, Kate?
Yes.
Oh,
I love
what?
ice cream. Mwah.
You love moi. You love ice cream moi. What is the flavor of ice cream do you like the most? What is the flavor of ice cream do you like the most?
It's vanilla.
Is what?
Vanilla.
It is, what flavor? Vanilla?
Vanilla.
Oh, you like vanilla. I love vanilla. Okay, next one. Okay, what? Number 3. What do you think is the difference in number 3?
Because the milk is drink and
The milk
the
is drink. Okay, what's the difference here? The milk is drink. Okay, go. Why number 3 is different? Because
is can drink.
you can drink. Okay, let me see. Very good. Because picture number 3, you can drink. How about the other picture? What are these pictures?
Because the is toy is
It's a
toy.
toy. Very good. It's a toy. Okay, number 4.
The cat is different because the cat can't swim.
Very good. Because the cat is not a sea animals. It's not a sea animals.
Oh.
It's not a sea animals. It cannot swim. Very good. Yay! I will check this one. 10, 10, 10, 10. Score. It's 4 over 4. Okay. Yay. Great job. Okay. Wait, I will, wait me. Okay, that one. Okay, I will send it to your mom. Wait me a minute. Okay, so let us have another activity. Okay, next one. I will share now. Oh, where is it? And lost. Okay. So we have here the goodbye and we're gonna have another activity. Let's move to Unit 5. Okay, let us talk Unit 5 in the picture. What is cha-cha? You know how to dance cha-cha?
Cha-cha-cha.
Cha-cha-cha. What's that?
Is cha-cha-cha.
Oh, you know how to dance? Go, go, go. Okay, can you give me example? You dance with. You dance first. You dance first.
Okay.
Okay, wait. You dance first. Go. Cha-cha-cha. Go, go. Oh, you're very good in dancing?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Wow. You're very good in dancing. Okay. How about your little sister? Is she very good in dancing?
No.
No. How about
This is
Cleo?
very good piano.
Ah, okay. She's very good at playing piano. Wait me, I will have here the
Cha-cha-cha.
ta-ta-ta. Ta-ta-ta.
2, 3, cha-cha-cha.
2, 3, cha-cha-cha. Okay, so we have here our topic for today. We have another lesson. Let us talk about the woman in the red dress.
Red.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink and purple.
Purple. No. Purple. Purple.
Purple.
Very good. Okay, pink and purple, teacher. Okay, we have here. Oh, we have vocabulary. Then, okay, we have the.
Scarf.
Scarf
Okay. What's the color of the scarf?
is blue or green. Blue.
Okay.
Scarf.
Next, we have
Sock.
sock. Okay. So, do you have sock?
No.
You didn't have sock?
No.
No. Okay. Next one. Next is, what's this?
Boot.
Boot. Next.
Shoe.
Sock.
Okay, this is the boot.
Boot.
And
Boot.
then
Shoe.
shoe or the shoes. Okay, do you have shoes?
No.
You don't have shoes like this? You don't have shoes like this? Your shoes. This one.
No.
Shoes. Okay.
No.
Shoe.
Next
Shoe.
one, we have
Sweater.
sweater.
Leather.
Okay, we have sweater. Okay. Next
Okay.
one, we have. Wait.
Sweater.
And
Weather.
Shorts.
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 Coat.
Okay, we
Shorts.
have the
Coat.
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 Okay, and
Coat.
Swimsuit.
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 Mm-hmm.
Swimsuit.
Yes.
I can swim.
Can you swim?
Yeah.
Okay, you can swim, of course. Okay. So another we have. Okay, trousers. Again. Trousers.
Trouser.
Trousers.
Trousers.
Okay,
Trousers.
next one we have
Check a dress.
A dress, teacher. We have a dress. Okay, the dress is very nice, right? Look at the
Yeah.
dress. It's very nice, teacher Anne. Okay, the dress is very nice.
I have the t-shirt.
Okay,
and the
next we have
short.
Dress.
t-shirt. Okay, what is the color of your t-shirt? Its
It's
color
purple
blue,
and pink.
pink, and it's number 88. It's number 88. Okay. Next is
T-shirt.
t-shirt and
Jacket.
jacket. We have jacket. Okay, very good.
Jacket.
Next one. Okay. So lesson, huh? Lesson. Okay, Kate. A pair of, it means to describe trousers. Like you will say, a pair of, it means two. When I say a pair of, it means two. Okay, two. A pair of jeans, so it means jeans. A pair of glasses. Look at teacher Ann. Pair of glasses, two. A pair of glasses, okay? Look at this. Now, what are you wearing? Okay, what are you wearing?
A t-shirt and short.
Okay, I'm wearing a t-shirt and a short. Okay. Okay, wait me, ha? Okay, next one. Okay, now, oh, this is very nice. Find the words for the pictures and write them on the line. Look at the example. You drew like this. Scarf, you put scarf. Okay, ready for the puzzle? This is puzzle game.
Okay. Swim
Mm.
shirt. No. Weather. 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 Better. Food. Swim shirt. Swim suit. Sock. Socks. Is shirt. And jacket. Jacket. And Oh, where
Oh,
the
you
jacket?
you find out, you find.
Jacket. Where the jacket? Oh, this. Mm. Okay. No, short. Shorts.
Okay?
No, 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 no. Wait.
Okay.
Shorts. This. Um, skirt.
Okay. Done? Are you looking for the skirt? Oh, its skirt is here.
Okay.
Here we have, okay, sweater. Okay, we have the sweater. Okay.
This.
I sorry. Okay, coat. Next.
Coat.
Oh, very good. What else? Shirt. Where's the shirt? Okay, very good. Shirt is here. Next one, socks. Socks.
This.
Oh, the shirt first. Sorry, shirt. The socks and the, okay, next is boots. Swimsuit first. Sorry, swimsuit. Okay, very good. Okay, next is shorts. Oh, very good. Okay. Yan. Hindi na ka? Inas na.
Okay. Because
Because
internet is
not good.
internet.
The internet is not good.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So let us hear the shorts. Where's the shorts? Okay. Boots. Where's the boots?
Oops.
Oh, very good. Yay, perfect. Okay, wait, I will check. Okay. Tang, 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 tang. Okay, great job. Okay, next one.
Oh,
Let us have.
trouser is trouser.
It's trousers. Trousers.
Skirt, glasses.
Okay, this one. Okay, now look at this. Ask and answer the question. Okay? Now, okay, you have to tell me about your family. Okay, what's that? The attire or the clothes of your family. Okay. Who
Okay.
is wearing shirt in your house today?
Is no.
No. Who is wearing sweater in your house today?
No.
Are you wearing a socks?
No.
No. Okay. What color are your socks in the house?
Is white and black?
Okay. Have you got a coat with you today? Have you
Yes.
got a coat with you today?
Yes.
What are your favorite clothes? What
My
are your favorite clothes?
My favorite clothes is skirt and t-shirt.
Shirt and t-shirt.
T-shirt.
Okay. Yay. Great job. Okay, now. Very good. Okay. Find the words. Oh, we're done with this, right? Okay.
Glasses and skirt and dress.
Okay, what are the things or the clothes that is not in the picture? Okay, example, trousers. It's trousers here. Okay, what else? You find another clothes.
Glasses.
Glasses.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You find your color.
This.
Oh, very good. What else? Let me see.
This. Skirt.
Mm-hmm.
No,
Okay, what else? 5. I need 5.
Dress. Dress.
Very smart. Very smart.
Dress. This. Cap.
Mm-hmm. The cap.
Cap.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, I will answer now. Okay, glass. Oh, skirt. Very good. Okay, here. Next, glasses. Very good.
Yeah.
Okay, next, a pair plus the cap. Very good, Kate. One more. What else? It's
This
the
dress.
brass. Yay! Perfect. Okay. Wow, very good. Very good. Okay, very good, Kate. Okay, wow. Now, okay, you have to tell me. Okay, read and write the correct words. Okay, what do you think is this, huh? You have to choose What kind of clothes is this? Okay, example. In the cold weather, you can wear this around your neck. This is scarf. Okay? Here you go.
Next, this is like a very long jacket, which you can wear outside. Coat.
Okay, it's a coat. Very good. Next.
Coat. You can wear this on your feet inside your sock.
Okay, it's socks. Next, number 4.
A girl can wear this when to go in the sea. Is swimsuit.
Okay, it's swimsuit. Again, swimsuit.
Swimsuit.
Do you wear swimsuit?
No.
Okay. Do you know how to swim?
Yes.
Okay. Next, number 5.
A bear. This can help some people to read a book.
Okay, a pair of this.
Glasses.
Glasses. Yeah, very good. Great job, Kate. Very smart girl. Okay. Now look at this, Kate. Okay, huh? This is top, up, over. Okay. Example scarf. You can find the scarf here. Up, top, bottom, up, down. Okay. Example. Glasses, scarf, sweater, shirt. You have to wear up, up. Okay. How about bottom half? Down. Go in here. Down.
Is the shop is shoe. Trouser short. Is the
Short, very good. Trousers, very good. Else, socks. Okay, I will pair. Oh,
sock.
boots, skirt,
Trouser.
trousers, shorts. Okay.
Oh.
How about top and bottom? Hole here going down.
Okay. It's coat, shirt,
Okay.
dress.
Okay.
Suit.
Okay, very good. Okay, dress and swimsuit. You can wear up, going down. Oh, yay. Very good, Kate. Okay, great job, Kate. Okay, Kate, Teacher Ann will see you tomorrow, okay? So today, you're the great job.
Okay.
Okay, see you tomorrow, Kate. Bye-bye. Bye, Kate.
Goodbye. See you tomorrow.
Okay? Oh, you're very good at dancing. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.